The IUPAC nomenclature of the compound above is option A 4-ethyl octane, B 5-ethyl octane, C 5-propyl heptane, and D 3-propyl heptane. Before we can answer this question, first we have to analyze the structure on the board. Now the structure is given in a condensed form, so we have to write it into a full structural display form. How do we do that? We have CH3, we have CH2 written in brackets subscript 3. That means this CH2 is going to appear into 3 bases. So we have CH2, and the third CH2. Next we have CH. Under it there is a stroke which gives C3H7. So over here we have C2 and H5. That is the first thing we must obtain. Next, let us break it down into a simpler form. So from here we have C, 1C, 3H. 3H is attached to this C. So we have 1H, 2H, and 3H. So the next is this 1C and 2H. 1C and 2H, H. Next is 1C again and 2H, H. Next is 1C with 2H, Now we have 1C and 1H. 1C and 1H. Under it there is a substituent with 3C and 7H. So 1C, 2C, and 3C with 7H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7H. So next, we have over here 2C and 7H, and 5H rather. So we have 1C, 2C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5H. That's the second thing that must be done. Next is to identify the longest carbon chain in this structure written. The longest carbon chain in the structure written. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the longest carbon chain on the board is 8. So the longest chain is 8, which is called octane. The next thing is identification of substituent. Substituent identification. So should we count from here or from here? That should be the next question. Counting from here, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th carbon, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then counting from here down to here, we are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 carbon. Let's look at where the substituent is attached to. If counting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's a substituent in the 5th carbon atom written. There's a substituent, and the substituent is this. This is the substituent, ethyl. Now counting from here down to this place, there's a substituent too. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the 4th carbon atom. So we are having substituent on the 5th carbon atom when counting from here. Another substituent on the 4th carbon atom when counting from here. So we are going with the one with the lowest number of substituents. That is the basic rules in organic chemistry nomenclature. So on the 4th carbon atom we have ethyl, 4 ethyl, 4 ethyl, 4 ethyl. So let's look at the right name for this formula. This formula, the right name is called 4-ethyl. Since the longest carbon chain is octane, it will be named 4-ethyl octane. The correct option is 4-ethyl octane, which is option A.